सो द फर्स्ट स्टेप इज़ टू मॉइस्चराइज, देन सनस्क्रीन। मॉइस्चराइज मैंने ऑलरेडी कर लिया है, तो यहाँ मैं लगा रही हूँ मेरा सनस्क्रीन। सो मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ 30 SPF क्योंकि मुझे घर में ही रहना है। सो ऑब्वियसली बहुत ज़्यादा सनस्क्रीन अप्लाई करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। सो नाउ आई एम यूजिंग द कंसीलर। सो जैसा कि आप जानते हैं बिगनर्स मेकअप लुक है, तो फाउंडेशन हम यहाँ नहीं यूज़ कर रहे हैं। एंड वैसे भी आई एम नॉट अ वेरी बिग फैन ऑफ फाउंडेशन। कंसीलर सॉल्व आउट ऑल द रिक्वायरमेंट्स आई वांट in the coverage area. So this is a Hilary Ruda concealer, very convenient to use, affordable, and also it matches to my skin perfectly, and it hides all the blemishes and whatsoever spots I'm having. So this is how I applied this concealer all over my face, and slightly I just blend each and everything inside my face. So this is how I have applied. Now I will take my compact, and my way of smudging the foundation is to have the compact spongy. So I'm using all those जुगाड़ types of products because ये beginners के लिए है, तो I don't want कि वो लोग specially हर चीज़ खरीदे like blenders, brushes. So I have tried to use minimal products here. So here is the brown eyebrow pencil I'm using from MN. This is a really nice brown color and gives you a very natural color. And yeah, so you can see I'm just following my own eyebrows. No need to make it very bigger or something. And make sure once you are newly into makeup, make sure to only follow your eyebrows according to your face, because if you do little extra it will pop up very badly and it doesn't looks like a natural look. So when I have started doing makeup, I just used to follow my eyebrows. Even now also sometimes I don't do anything dramatic because more natural looks amazing. So now I'm just taking the same concealer to conceal my eyebrows. These steps will make your eyebrows instantly amazing. If you are not good at drawing eyebrows and you do this step, your eyebrows will take the like more natural shape with the help of this step. So make sure to do it if you are a beginner, because as you know this tutorial is totally for you guys, my beginner people. So make sure to do this step because this will help you and create the depth in your eyes. You can see how sharpened my eyebrows are looking already. So this step will also make your eyelashes and your eyelids look more brightened and as if you are so awake and fresh. So this is the must step to do. And now I'm using the Fit Me Compact. So guys, whatever product I have used are very branded and affordable. So this is totally beginners friendly. Mostly products are under 300 rupees and you can easily get it in discount. Nowadays Amazon and Flipkart is having amazing discounts. You can buy any of these from there with very affordable price, like even cheaper than what I purchased for. So you can opt for that thing. So yeah, next step is to use my multi-use gloss. This is a lip gloss basically, but I use it for my eyes, my cheeks and also for my lips. So we are just applying a dot of this and spreading it onto our eyes. This will make our eyes look more colored and more brightened and very professional done kind of eyes, because if we don't apply any sort of color on eyes it will look like very dull. So if you add a little bit tip here, any of your lipstick of pink color, any eyeshadow of pink, just do a little bit of that and it suddenly makes your skin look more generous, your eyes look more bigger and fresh. So now I'm using my Lakme eyeliner. As I have told you, I'm using all the branded products here but under 300 rupees. So this will be more affordable and very skin friendly and amazing tutorial for you, because you can use branded but in very affordable prices, and also you can have a very minimalistic kit and do versatile looks with it. So this is what you can create. So this is a kind of idea what all you needed in your beginners kit: a simple an Insta waterproof liner and a very nice mascara with one concealer and compact and one of the pink lipstick, and you will be good to go anywhere in the world. Wherever you wanted to look beautiful, just do this pinkish kind of a look and you're going to get amazing results and a lot of compliments for you. So I have drawn a very simple and normal straight liner, and you can see this have drastically changed my face already. So this is not really hard, guys. You just need to follow your eyes with the brush. Now I'm using the Colossal mascara, which is from Maybelline. So this is a very famous mascara. The reason behind the famousity of the mascara is that this will give a instant volume to your mascara. This is long lasting and affordable. You can use this mascara for more than 6 to 7 months, which is a really great deal if you are a beginner. And this mascara is so good and waterproof. So now I'm using the same tint and which I applied on the eyes and using it as a blush. So you can see this will give you more pinkish and beautiful look. So already my look have started looking as in it's professional done and very beautiful and very glowy look. So here you are creating a dewy look for your natural makeup. So this will can go for the whole long hours. If you wanted to create this look for your college, this will go amazingly. Trust me guys, this is a everyday comfortable look. Now I'm using a kajal here. Like generally I don't apply any kajal, but if any of the beginner who's used to of kajal, that's why I added the step. The kajal I'm using is from Blue Heaven, which is really good and waterproof kajal. It's smudge proof basically, so you can use it and it will stay for longer hours. I'm not a kajal person, but I'm just adding this step for the people, those who are beginners and trying to learn makeup with this tutorial. So for them I have added the step. This will instantly make your eyes look more bigger and gorgeous. So you can see already the eyes and the face is looking really nice and glowy. So the best thing about this look is that it will make you look instantly very fresh. So you can see I have a lot of oil in my head, but still the makeup is making me look more fresh and awake, which is so good. So this look is totally oil hair friendly because I have tons of oil, trust me, and still it's looking more fresh and dewy. So let's move to the next step, which is the last step, is to apply the lipstick. So I'm using Rebel shade from Lakme 9 to 5 collection. This is the very versatile shade. You can use it just as a lip gloss or a little bit and you will get an amazing color into your eyes. You can just apply a little bit or so much product also, then you will achieve a very tinty look. So this is a very long lasting and very moisturizing lipstick, and you can use it for almost 1 year because this has a lot of product and this is really pigmented. So this is very affordable, and for 1 year you will be sorted with the same lipstick and amazingly beautiful and amazing color of the lips you will get. This is one of my favorite lipsticks, trust me, and I'm having this since 1 year and still it works just amazing. It gives me a fresh look. So guys, this is the final look I have created for today's beginner's makeup look. I hope you guys have enjoyed it. This was very friendly, affordable makeup look and really easy to achieve. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you soon.